The timeline of repairs. So we talked about stacks earlier. That would be the first floor, second floor, third floor. When we're doing this work, it's done by the stack because those wet walls all line up. The plumbing's all ran vertically. When we do that, it's usually about a month per stack. We have 2 weeks for doing the plumbing work, for doing the openings and doing the plumbing, and then about 2 weeks for doing the restoration of the walls. During that time, they're not in your unit for that full 2 weeks. They do the plumbing in all 3 units in that 2 weeks, and they're doing the restoration in that 2 weeks. So you've got materials that have got to set, cure, all that. So they'll work in a unit, go to the next unit and do more mud or texture or letting paint dry, things like that. But when this work's all going on, like those summary reports we talked about earlier, those are issued. It's got everything documented. It's got those dates are highlighted in there that let you know when we're going to do the plumbing work, when we're doing the restoration work.
So it's basically 2 weeks for the plumbing work and about 2 weeks for the drywall and paint, but it's not every single day.
No.
Yep. Okay.